Once again, welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of October. And first of all, national news. S. Jaishankar, New Zealand minister, discussed Indo-Pacific Ukraine war. India condemned North Korea missile test and said it affects peace and security. UN peacekeeping chief Jean-Pierre Lacroix to visit India this month. UK Home Secretary doubted trade pact with India over open borders. Manish Sisodia's aide Vijay Nayyar sent to judicial custody in excise policy case. Mulayam Singh Yadav critical, remains on life-saving drugs, hospital. Mulayam Singh is a three-time Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and served as India's Defence Minister. Gilli Danda, Langdi run among competitions at Chhattisgarh Olympics. And now some international news. 2022 Nobel Prize for Literature goes to French author Annie Ernaux. 12 North Korea warplanes fly in apparent drill formation, Seoul military. Pebbles, a toy fox terrier that held the Guinness World Record for being the world's oldest dog, passed away on Monday, October 3. Twitter's internal memo as Elon Musk revived $44 billion deal. London, King Charles III's coronation ceremony is set to take place on June 3, 2023, media reports said. Dreamers immigration program unlawful, US court said orders review. Climate change made 2022 drought in China, Europe 20 times more likely. And now some sports news. Champions League. Real Madrid took control in Europe with smooth Shakhtar win. Champions League. Paris Saint-Germain held at Benfica despite Lionel Messi stunner. Table Tennis World Team Championships. China toy with India as men's team bows out. Grandmaster Hans Niemann defended reputation after cheating claims. JioCinema to be the digital home of FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Ukraine joins Spain, Portugal in bid to host FIFA World Cup 2030 in attempt to exercise ghost of war. And now, news related to business. Sensex rose a modest 150 points to add to Tuesday's 1200 points rally. Rupee fell sharply to 81.90 a dollar from 81.52 as oil surge weighs. Global forex reserve shrunk by $1 trillion in record decline. SpiceJet share jump about 9% after report of 1,000 crore government loan. LIC's order denying payment for death under alcohol influence overturned. Future retail insolvency expression of interest invited from prospective buyers by October 20. India's growth forecast downgraded to 6.5% this year by World Bank. And now news related to science and technology. SpaceX rocket with next International Space Station crew entered orbit, including Russian cosmonaut. Pune crater showed humble beginnings of magnificent flying reptiles. ISRO planned to launch 36 OneWeb satellites this month. And that's all in news. Thank you.